But what else could you do in a spot like this?
All he couldn't make that ball.
Well, Efren would have ball in hand.
Yeah, but I mean, where would he go?
He
So
could pocket
make one.
the 11
yeah,
and
but
break
that's
them
it,
out and put the 2 right close to the 8.
It's a game of percentages, and that's what he's doing. He's giving himself the best percentage. Well, no, he didn't.
He could hit.
Oh my wow!
There's Jarvis. Can he cut it back across?
I don't think he can cut this ball.
Gonna try.
Oh, look at this shot.
You have one, and Jimmy's up. Jimmy was up 2.
Okay, he's up 2. No, that was a half.
How about that?
But he's
shot?
still,
Damn!
I have a reward for it because he's in his face again.
Well, he's still playing.
I think he's going for a bank shot.
Bank shot.
Oh my wow!
Efren is the kind of guy.
He's made every. Look at Reyes. Look, he's made it. Urged on a little bit by Scott Smith, the referee.
A few moments later.
In the world, of course. How did you feel about the match?
Well, I feel I lost already because when he had me 8-5, 7-5, right?
He had you 7-5.
7-5, and I thought I'm not gonna shoot no more. And well, I get lucky, and then you miss.
Don't say it anymore.
You can't give this guy a chance, though, can you?
No, absolutely not. It cost me. But
They don't get lucky. Talo!
Magandang hapon mga kaibigan, mga kabilyard. Welcome to Sports Hub Reaction and Commentary Videos. For today's reaction video, ito another 8-ball match between Efren Reyes versus Mark Jarvis. Ito yung World 8-ball Championship match at dito nga nasa semifinal na sila. Makakalaban ni Efren Reyes itong walang talo na si Jarvis, no? At isa rin sa pinakamagagaling na pool master ng 8-ball. At dito nga nasa rank number 12 itong si Jarvis at makikita natin wala pa siyang talo dito sa tournament na ito. At nag-break dyan si Reyes pero walang pumasok kaya nasa table ngayon si Jarvis. Panoorin natin kung gaano kalupit itong kalaban ni Efren Reyes. At dito nga sa laro na ito ay 8-ball, race to 8 yung kanilang match. Ang mananalo sa championship match na ito ay mag-uuwi ng $30,000 US, no? Makikita natin mukhang maganda ang pinapakitang tira dito ni Jarvis at maganda yung positioning niya, no, dito sa rack number 1 na ito. Mukhang may chance na makarun out si Jarvis dito at
Position here. He's got the cue ball in the center of the table. He can go either 2 different ways. He can either shoot this ball, which he's not going to. He's going to shoot this ball, this corner, this side pocket.
To my uneducated eye, he apparently has no problems. Has no pockets that he would want that are cluttered up. The solids are up there in the far left-hand corner, but he's not concerned about that. Looks like the table is pretty well set up.
I think he might have wound up with an angle on this 12 ball, so he's going to shoot the 11 ball first. He would have liked to have gotten straight in at the 12, but no problem here. He's got a nice pace. I mean, he's moving around the table nice.
Fast and loose.
Draw the cue ball back and play the 8 ball in the right-hand bottom pocket.
At dito nga mapapansin natin mukhang maganda yung pinapakitang tira dito ni Jarvis at ito itinuro niya yung pang last ball niya, no, dito sa rack number 1 na yan. Mukhang may chance na maka first rack, no. Ay ito nga naipasok niya yung 8. 1-0 tayo dito mga kabilyard. Talagang napakasaya dito ni Jarvis dahil nakauna siya ng panalo at winner's break nga ang kanilang breaking format dito. Kaya si Jarvis ulit ang nag-break dito sa rack number.
Looks to me like he's got straight balls. And no really easy shot. Might have the 9 in the side pocket.
Maybe we're just a little bit jaded, but after Carter made the 8 ball twice on breaks, we expect it to go all the time.
Well, he's shooting the 14 ball in the side pocket here and letting the cue ball go up, straight up the table. He's playing position for this ball here.
And did it beautifully.
Well, undoubtedly, Jarvis was watching the previous match, Tom, with Carter, and you know, when you see the ball flying towards the side like that, well, then you're
give it a chance, huh?
Yeah, why not?
Jarvis trying to get an early advantage on Reyes, and from the way Reyes can play, you can't have too early or too big a lead.
Yeah, he's playing the 9 ball here in the corner pocket, bringing the cue ball back out here, trying to get position on this ball in the corner pocket. He's perfect on the shot. Stop the cue ball here or draw just a little bit. 13 in the side, then the 8 in the corner pocket. He's looking to get straight in on the shot, so he can just move the cue ball a couple inches.
Jim Rempe's got it all mapped out. We'll see if Jarvis can follow the plan.
Stop the cue ball right there. You want to put a little bit of an angle and has to take a longer shot on the 8 ball.
The man you see walking around the table without the camera is Scott Smith.
At dito nga mukhang maganda pa rin yung layout ng table para dito kay Jarvis, no? At maganda yung kanyang cue ball control and positioning. At dito nasa last ball na naman si Jarvis, mukhang talagang matindi yung pinapakitang concentration niya dito para talunin itong si The Magician. Mapapansin natin si Efren Reyes, nasa kalagitnaan siya ng kanyang peak ng paglalaro ng billiard, no? Pero mahusay din itong si Jarvis. Ito naka 2-0 na si Jarvis. Panalo dyan sa rack number 2, no? Mukhang talagang pahihirapan niya dito si Efren Reyes. Dito
8-ball championship. Jarvis leading 2-0 with the break.
Made the 9 in the side.
He almost made the 8 in the side, too.
Oh, I tell you, is there an 8-ball magnet over there in that side pocket? It seems to be flirting around over there with every break.
Well, I'll tell you, there's 2 ways to break the balls, Tom. That's hitting the head ball or hitting the second ball. Now, if you really want to get action on the 8 ball and get it rolling, you got to hit the second ball. Perhaps sometimes you don't get as well of a break as hitting the head ball, but it gets the 8 moving.
Look at what he did here. He shot the wrong ball. He had a perfect opportunity and just gave it away. He shot the wrong ball. He made a strike ball.
At dito nga mukhang na-foul itong si Jarvis, no, sa kanyang pagpili dyan sa bola na yan dahil nakaset na sa stripe yung kanyang bola. Pero itong si Reyes ay nasa solid na pala. Pero ito nga mukhang nagkamali doon si Jarvis, no? Bibihirang mangyari ito sa mga pool master. Pero ganun pa man, nagkamali siya dyan, kaya foul yun, ball in hand advantage dito kay Reyes. Kaya makikita natin dito sa table na ito, mukhang alanganin pa rin yung cleanup ni Reyes dito dahil may naka-cluster dito sa bandang iba.
Well, he's got the 1 ball down the corner that he played position on. Let's see what route he uses. Oh, that was a great shot. He'll just shoot this ball in the corner pocket, playing position on this ball.
You know, shooting the wrong ball there.
At dito nga makikita natin itong background ni Efren Reyes, US Open World 9-Ball Championship, no? Naging champion siya dyan noong 1994. At dito nga naging runner-up din siya sa PBT 9-Ball World Championship noong 1994 din. Mukhang maganda ang pinapakitang tira dito ni Reyes. Meron ba siyang chance na maka-penetrate siya? Ito nga, last ball na pala si Reyes dito, no? Sa side pocket niya ipapasok yung 8. Mukhang po-position ng isang puntos dito si Reyes. Panalo si Reyes sa rack number 3. 2-1 ang score natin at may chance na mag-break ulit si Reyes dito sa rack number 4.
He hit the second ball too, but he hit it from the opposite side of the rack. He's let Mark back into the table and he's knocking no balls.
All right. Gentlemen, at first glance, the mark is now saying, what can I shoot? What am I entitled to go after? Let's not make the same mistake twice. What would you pick as you look at the table? Anything?
Well, he's going to go for the stripe balls because I think that's his only shot. And the stripes are open except for the 13. He could cut the 3 ball in, but it's a tough shot. You're going to let the cue ball travel. And that's what he selected to do.
Yeah, he's going with the solids.
Yes.
You got one shot here. He can pocket the 2 ball in the corner pocket and play position on either the 1 over to here with the cue ball. That's what he's going to do. He's going to shoot the 2 ball in corner pocket, let the cue ball travel over in here for the 1 ball in the same pocket.
He leads 2-1. Might have been up 3-zip, except for a mental lapse and a mistake, of course.
Well, he's off and running. He's playing good, Tom. He feels as though a lot of the credit goes to his good friend Mike Thomas. I don't know, I've been talking with him a lot lately and giving him a good attitude and good desire here to play and get up and try your heart out. And dedicate yourself to the game of pocket billiards. It's the only way you can be a winner.
What a great shot that was. He got position on the 7 ball here to take care of that problem cluster.
Boy, to the uneducated eye, namely mine, it looks as though you couldn't roll the ball through there, and yet the 7 is all set up. How about the 5? Is that he'll play the 7 first?
Well, the 5 is out in the clear. It has pockets to be pocketed in, but the 4 ball, it looks like he got perfect shape on the 5.
Yes, he did.
I mean, he's even got a little bit of an angle to let the cue ball come up this way, because you know he has to clear this ball or let the cue ball come through here and play this ball in the side pocket.
And then, of course, stop it right there and put the 8 in the
He's
corner.
come too far. He's come too far. Now he's in big.
At dito nga mukhang napasobra yung tira dito ni Jarvis, no, at medyo alanganin yung posisyon ngayon nitong object ball niya. Pero tingnan natin kung may chance ba siya na makapasok dito or mag-play safe muna siya. Panoorin natin yung discarte dito ni Jarvis.
Really, I guess not, huh?
No, not when an opponent has 6, 7 balls on the table. To play safe to where Efren doesn't have a shot at any ball is almost impossible.
Yeah. He's going the other way. He does have a pocket coming across the table this way.
Oh,
Close.
oh, what a great effort. Oh, give him A for effort. And the crowd gives him a nice round of applause. What a well thought out, well executed shot. It just missed by.
At doon nga muntik pang maipasok sa kick shot noon itong si Jarvis, pero medyo manipis yun. At nagkaroon tuloy ng pag-asa ngayon si Reyes para makabalik dito sa table. Mapapansin natin open na yung table, no, at tingnan natin kung ma-run out ito ni Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
To the championship go against Carter.
He'll most likely clear up here now. Balls are wide open. Played for the 14 ball in the side pocket.
Jimmy, did you ever ask him why he came over as Cesar Morales rather than Efren?
No, but I wish he would go back. And I don't care if it's as Cesar or Efren. He has invaded America, Tom. I'm telling you what, he's going to force me to come out of retirement. I got to give America some help.
You don't care what name he puts on the passport, huh? Let me tell you, he has something else. Efren Reyes.
13 ball, 15 in the same pocket.
At dito nga mukhang nasa momentum ulit itong si Reyes. Nasa last 2 balls si Reyes dito, no? At makikita natin maganda na yung layout ng table. At mapapansin din natin yung galing ni Reyes, no, sa kanyang mga tira. Ito nga, last ball si Reyes, 8 sa side pocket. Pasok yan. All-2 tayo dito mga kabilyard, no? Si Reyes pa rin ang mag-break sa rack number 5. Mukhang ginagalingan na ng ating pambato na si Efren Reyes. Pero dito sa rack number 5 mukhang dry break ito, kaya back to table ulit si Jarvis. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
You know, it's being a bit of a rarity when we see a break and something doesn't fall. A rarity when we see a break and the 8 ball doesn't go, the way things have been going here in this semifinal competition.
He has no easy shot to start with. He can cut this ball in the corner here, but it looks like a tough shot for me. He's cutting the 6 in the side pocket. Good shot. Let the cue ball loose a little bit. Let's see what happens. He's tied up the 7 ball. The 4 is tied up. He's got a tough little rack here.
He's rearranged the furniture here a little bit to where it's going to be rough for him to run this frame.
He might do a little defense here.
Nice shot. Well, he's going all out. Yeah, and he got that cue ball away from those stripes too, didn't he?
Yeah, all, the balls are open up right now except for the 7 ball up here.
Yeah.
Is he looking to break that 7 out, or can he make the 7? Maybe he can make the 7.
I think he can make it.
So if he can make the 7, then it's, well, the 8 is tied up also.
Well, that 7 is going to get a close look from Scott Smith, the referee, if he tries it. That is.
He's got a pocket, I think.
Tell you the truth, Tom, I think he's plotting some strategy right here to where he perhaps will save. No, I was going to say he's maybe thinking about saving the 1 ball till last and then banking the 8 ball cross sides. But he has a shot here right now to knock the 8 out.
At dyan nga sa tira ni Jarvis na yan, mukhang maganda yung pinapakita niyang combination, no? Pero merong naka-cluster dito sa kanto. Tingnan natin kung ma-break niya yan at makakuha ng magandang posisyon si Jarvis. At dito nga mukhang mahirapan siya na ma-run out niya ito dahil dito sa cluster ball na ito. So sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Being a bank shot, I think.
Jimmy Matias says he's very good at it. Was that a good hit?
Yes.
Oh, baby.
So says Scotty.
Yes, good hit, Scotty says. Almost. Of course, he heard me say it, and then he turned and nodded, yeah.
I think he got a little bit of an angle on this 2 ball to come into the 8 ball. There's a lot of things he can do here.
He's going to play position to bank this 8 cross sides.
No, he's not. He's going into the 8.
Moved it a little bit. And now what? Now where do you play it,
He's
gentlemen?
going to cut it across the table to the corner pocket. Really a tough shot.
I would think so.
Real tough. And I'll tell you something else you might have to look out for is the scratch here with the cue ball. Depending upon how hard.
Last ball si Jarvis dito, no, at dito nga naipasok niya, no, sa ibaba at very satisfied yung ginawang tira dyan ni Jarvis. 3-2 ang score natin at napakaganda nung ginawang pina niya na yon. Nakakuha siya talaga ng magandang puntos dyan sa rack number 5 na yan. Kaya sundan natin si Jarvis ang magbe-break sa rack number 6.
The shot he made was without any hesitation, no wait at all. Look at it again, and that is dead center perfect. I'll tell you, when you tell Mattia to get some information, it doesn't matter. He opens up closet doors and everything.
Let's get to the cash. That's what pool's all about.
8's making its way to the side, but didn't get there.
Oh, so close.
Can't believe it, Jimmy, how the 8 has went to that side pocket so many times.
It's been back and forth like it was on a string.
It seems like if it doesn't go in, it's always hanging right by the side there. Always.
Yeah. So here's Reyes now. He's trailing 3 games to 2. First one to 8.
Yeah, he wants the
Advances
solid
to the
balls here.
finals.
He wants the solid colored balls right here because you can see the 13 is tied up. He's playing the 1 ball. He's shooting the long 1.
And great position.
He'll come right into this cluster here right now. He's got to move the 4 ball or play position on it. He's playing position on it. He's coming a little bit long, I think. He's coming a little bit long on the
It's
shot.
gonna have to wait.
At dyan nga medyo malakas ng konti yung tira ni Reyes, no? Pero meron pa rin siyang possible shot dito sa isang object ball niya. Tingnan natin kung ma-run out niya itong rack number 6 at makahabol ng puntos dito kay Jarvis. Mapapansin natin medyo critical yung mga tira dito ni Reyes at medyo diin yung kanyang position, no? Pero mapapansin natin may chance na ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 6.
He has a very long bridge. Always a deep ball of concentration is Efren Reyes. I think that's one of the things that makes him such a good player. He's really good at the concentration.
Well, he got that good position, didn't he? Worked it around.
He controls the cue ball as well as anybody I've ever seen.
And the crowd responds with a round of applause. Considered as good as anybody in the world and ranked number 1 in this 8-ball championship tournament. If Jarvis were to beat him, it would have, you know, to overstate the obvious, be a big, big item for him.
Aiming dyan si Reyes at dito nga mukhang tatabla ulit si Reyes dito sa rack number 6, no? Tutok na yung 8 sa side pocket. Pasok yung 8 na yan. All 3 ang score natin dyan mga kabilyard. Talagang humahabol at hindi nagpapatalo itong si Reyes. Break si Reyes dyan sa rack number 7. Mukhang may pumasok doon sa side pocket at meron siyang available shot. So sundan natin kung maka-break and run siya dito sa rack number 7.
Pocket at the 7 ball. And the solids are pretty much wide open. Just getting position on the 2 ball would be the toughest part of this rack.
Well, I think we've covered the item that skill, talent, planning, and of course luck goes into almost any endeavor of this kind. You got to have a little of that, don't you?
Well, when they asked me, hey, Jimmy, what's it take to be a professional pool player and to be a champion? I said, it's very simple. Takes the eyes of an eagle, the touch of a surgeon, the heart of a lion. And what else, Jimmy?
The 3 Ds: dedication, determination, and desire.
Okay.
Can I sprinkle a little luck in there as well? Of course, Branch Rickey said that luck's the residue of hard work, so I know what you're talking about. It may look easy when you watch these world-class competitors and players play, but believe me, they've hit a lot of balls and suffered their shares of agony and moments of despair, too.
He's got a little bit bigger angle on this 5 ball than he wanted.
Mahusay yung ginawang combination na yun ni Reyes doon sa kanyang object ball. No? Tingnan natin kung makakuha pa siya ng magandang posisyon pagkatapos nitong solid ball na ito. At dito nga, mapapansin natin yung mga tira ni Reyes, calculated at mahina. Pero tingnan natin kung ma-run out niya itong rack number 7. Sundan pa rin natin mga kabilyar.
The 6 is down here too, is it not? Isn't the 6?
And the 6 is still down here too. Yeah.
So he would probably take the 3 and then come back to get the 2 and then follow it down.
Well, he can't get the right angle on the 2 by shooting the 3, so he's going to have to shoot the 2 ball.
Efren's the type of player that you never really quite know what he's going to do, and I think that's why they call him the magician.
Yeah. But it looks like he's going to take the 6 down.
And he's going to have to find the right angle on the 3 to get down for the 8 ball. I mean,
wouldn't he have been better off to try the 3 and forget it, huh? And
he could come up and hit the 8 if he wants to shoot the 6, come up with it and knock the 8 out somewhere, but I don't think he'll do anything like that. That's taking too much of a chance. He could shoot the 6 and come back up this way and try to get... That's what he's doing. No, he tried to hit the 8 ball and he missed the 8.
He missed it, and he may not have a shot at the 3. Gonna have to bank it if he does, doesn't he, gentlemen?
At dyan nga, medyo sumaklap yung posisyon ng cue ball, no? At mukhang magkakaroon pa ng kick shot dito si Reyes para patamaan niya yung object ball niyang 7 doon sa corner pocket, no? Medyo humarang talaga yan at dumikit dito sa isang stripe ball. Kaya no choice si Reyes kundi niya i-kick shot itong isang bola na ito, itong 7 sa corner pocket. Sundan natin mga kabilyar.
He's level to leave the table wide open for Jarvis. Oh, he may get it. Oh, I thought he might get a kiss off that thing and still get it. He is a magician, huh?
Oh, yeah.
How close was that?
It was very close, believe me.
Now, how about Jarvis? Can he run it here now?
If he can pocket the first ball, he should be off to the races to win in this game.
So which one do you take as the first one?
The easiest one.
Well, yeah, but which would that be, Jimmy?
It would be the 15 in the side.
Right.
13 in the side.
I'm all through setting you guys up. Forget it. The easiest one, of course. The one that I could make. All right.
All right. Take the balls up table and then come down and take care of the bottom of the table.
And the 8 ball is down there. It'd be a great place to finish now, wouldn't it?
Right.
So you try to clear one section of the table at a time. Now seeing how the 8 is down here by this end rail, well then he'll leave those last stripes to where he doesn't have to move his cue ball around much. That's what can get you in trouble, is when you got to move the cue ball around a lot.
He's bumping balls though. You can't be doing that kind of stuff.
I think he's left himself a tougher shot than he wanted.
Now here you'll probably see a safety. This is the
this
advantage.
is safe.
Tom.
It looks to me like he's going to go this way, Jim. Hit the 10 ball, bring the cue ball over in here, and then back over in here.
Yeah, I was going to say the same thing. This is a big advantage, Tom, what I was telling about earlier, when you have 4 or 5 balls on the table and your opponent's only got 1. If you do happen to miss your position, you have so many ways to play safe.
He went for the shot.
Yes, he did. He tried to...
At dyan nga, napakahusay nung pina na yan ni Jarvis. Pasok yung object ball niya. Mukhang maganda yung ball position niya dito sa tira niya na yan. No? At may chance siya na maka-abante na naman ng isang puntos dito kay Reyes. Dito nga, maganda yung pinakita niyang tira na yan. At meron siyang chance ngayon na maka-run out dito sa rack number 7. Diyan sa replay na yan, nakita nyo naman yung pina niya. No? Napakahusay. At talagang very proud siya doon sa tira niya na yon. Pero tingnan natin kung matapos niya itong rack number 7 at umovertake ulit ng isang puntos dito kay Reyes. Mukhang backspin ang ginawa dyan ni Jarvis at ito sa ibaba, no, sa kaliwa na corner pocket. At dyan na ipasok niya yung 8. Lamang na naman si Jarvis. 4-3 ang score natin dyan. At napakaganda ng pila na yun, no. Dito nga si Jarvis ulit ang magbe-break sa rack number 8. Sundan natin yan mga kabilyard.
The 10 ball wobbled.
Boy, didn't it?
And the 2 went in.
Yep. So the 2-ball is in. He'll be shooting the solids.
He's only got one shot here, I think, is the 3 down the corner pocket, which is a really tough shot. And position after this shot is a tough shot, too. He's counting the balls, making sure.
Yeah. In case you joined us late, why he had the break, had a ball made, it was a stripe, and he started to shoot the solids, and bingo. That was that. Cue ball in hand for Reyes, and he ran the table on him.
Mark's made up his mind that win or lose today, he's going to have a good time. I mean, he's been smiling the whole match, concentrating, of course, but he's having a good time, and that's what it's all about. Hey, you know, winning's not everything. Have a good time at what you're doing.
Reyes sits there, stoic-faced.
Shoot the 1 ball in the corner here. He's got a soldier here. 1 ball is going to go in the corner here, like that. He's got a soldier. In other words, even if he hits the cushion here, it's going to carry him off the 10 ball and go in the corner pocket. And that's what happened, too.
Oh!
Napakahusay nung cushion first, tapos sa karombola yung ginawa niya doon sa corner pocket, no? Mahusay talaga at batikan itong si Jarvis. Mapapansin din natin dito, mukhang may mga cluster ball sa gitna. Kailangan niyang i-break ito para makapenetrate ulit dito si Jarvis. At dito nga mapapansin natin, mahusay talaga yung kanyang cue ball positioning at meron siyang chance na ma-run out niya itong rack number 8. Ay sundan natin yan, mga kabilyard.
Won a semifinal match convincingly in the previous program. What do you do with that? He's going to play the 4, huh?
But he's got to go up the table. He could shoot this in the... He's got an angle on the 4 ball that make it go up this table this way. He could elect to shoot this ball in the corner pocket and just bounce the cue ball back over here.
Wouldn't that be the better...
I think that's the better shot.
Yeah, because it's position on the 7, wouldn't it?
It's a natural shot. All you have to do is put the cue ball anywhere over in here. In other words, just shoot this ball, corner pocket, cue ball bounces here and over to here.
Well done. Did he get it back? Yes.
Watch the 14.
He got room?
Perfect.
He's all right?
Absolutely perfect. He hit that ball. Come back for the 8 in the side pocket.
And the crowd, you know, I'm sure they realize Jarvis comparing the 2 men as an underdog here.
At dito nga, last ball ulit itong si Jarvis sa side pocket, no? Itong 8. Pasok yan, minadali niya. Talagang napakahusay niya dyan. 5-3, no? Lamang na ng 2 puntos itong si Jarvis. Race to 8 lang ito, mga kabilyard. At si Jarvis pa rin sa breaking advantage dito sa rack number 9. May pumasok pa rin sa side pocket na yan. At may available shot itong si Jarvis. Mukhang madidiin talaga ng husto dito si Reyes dahil mahusay din at magaling itong si Jarvis, no? 5-3 ang score, lamang si Jarvis ng 2, race to 8. Kaya sundan natin, mga kabilyard.
9 on the side. If he can make that one, I mean, the rest is wide open.
He's leading 5 games to 3 against a man considered to be as good a player as there is in the world, and almost got a pair of them and had to use a little body English to get that thing in the side pocket. Ooh, and a little more to keep it from a scratch.
I think you're the one with the body English up there, Tom.
This guy has got more moves than a monkey with a new rope. He's got him going in.
Boy, you're hemming and hollering and homering. How much you got bet on Jarvis on this game here?
Too late to get a bob down.
He wants it a little bit further. He didn't get where he wanted to get. I don't know if he wanted to put a shot. He could cut this ball in the side pocket and let the cue ball travel.
And
Jimmy, obviously, if he cuts that ball in the side pocket, the cue ball's going to travel, don't you think?
Well, it traveled a long way. Well, I mean, the secret to pool, you want to move the cue balls least amount of space as you possibly can.
Don't tell me your secrets, okay? I'll hang with my own, if you don't mind.
25 years, you haven't picked up one yet, so I'm not worried about that no longer. It's like they're round. They're supposed to roll, right?
That's right.
He's not playing the best position, but he keeps getting out.
No, he's playing very reckless, but he keeps making shot after shot, difficult shots.
He wasn't that far away from great position, though, was he?
No, he wasn't.
Just another 2 or 3 inches on that round ball on that slick table.
Oh. Uh-oh.
Tell you what, if he would have made that, he was in good shape to win.
At dyan lang sa tira na yan, mukhang nagkamali na talaga si Jarvis at nagkaroon tuloy ng chance itong si Reyes na makabalik sa table. Mukhang over itong tira na yun ni Jarvis, no? Kaya ito, lamang na lamang si Reyes ngayon dito sa tira dahil nga medyo maluwang na at maganda yung layout ng table. Pero tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes ito at makapunto siya ng isa dito sa rack number 9.
Shots and take some gambles, and he's been doing that, and it's been paying off for him pretty good. But you also got to remember, hey, you got to use your head. Good strategy. You can't get out there and play recklessly having a cue ball flying all over the place. And I think Jimmy will tell you
Cue
that.
balls don't fly, Jim.
Well, I've had a few fly out the window, I want to tell you that. A few sticks go out the window, too.
Get straight in on the 3 ball, shoot the 1 in the opposite corner pocket, and play the 8 in the same pocket that he's going to pocket the 1 ball in. You can draw this back and play the 1 ball in the same pocket too. Nope.
Gonna go across the table with it, I guess.
Yeah, just pocket this, bounce off the bottom cushion, and up for the 8 in the same pocket.
At dyan nga, tulad sa inaasahan natin, no, mukhang na-perfect ni Reyes yung tira niya. Kaya ito, last ball siya sa rack number 9, corner pocket sa ibaba. At ito, tutok siya sa 8. Pasok yung 8 na yan. Nakapuntos ulit, no? 5-4 na ang score natin. Si Reyes naman ang nag-break dito sa rack number 10. Mukhang maganda yung break niya dahil may pumasok at may available shot siya. 5-4 ang score natin. Umahabol itong si Reyes. Panoorin natin, mga kabilyard.
Here in Las Vegas, Jim Mattia, Jim Rempe, yours truly, Tom Kelly. You're watching semifinal competition in the World 8-Ball Championship Tournament.
All right, he's taking the stripe balls, pocketing the 10 ball in the side pocket. Let's see where the rest of these balls wind up now. He broke them all up in one shot. What a shot. Used his telestrator. He'd probably shoot this ball, corner pocket.
Is that the 8 ball against the rail down at the bottom?
He got bad on this shot. Yeah, that's the 8 ball down there, but he got bad. He wanted to get straight in on a 9, and he wound up with a big angle.
Well, he's going to have to move that 5 out of there in order to get a shot at that 8, is he not?
No.
No?
No, it clears.
Providing he gets to that. Ooh. Ooh. Well, I don't know that he's left that much, has he?
No, he hasn't, because the way the balls are clustered up there, if you take a look at the 2 ball, which is the blue ball, you take a look at the orange ball, which is the 5, Jarvis has problems here.
We haven't seen a defensive game yet. It's about time one of them showed up, where they start playing a lot of safety play.
Oh, you're right. They have been wide open in the first semifinal. The 8 ball twice on the break. Nobody has really played much of a defensive game at all. They had to.
This is going to be one of those games. There's no way that Mark would try to run out here because, like Jimmy said, the 2 balls tied up.
The last time we said that about Jarvis, though, he made a cut shot instead of playing safe, knocked it in the corner.
Yeah, you see the 2 ball here is going to create a big problem because there's, well, I mean, the 5 does pass, but he's going to shoot it now. If he shoots it now, then he can't, he won't have another ball to get back to the 2 ball to break it out of there. But there's really no safety anyway where he can leave Efren in a spot where there won't be any kind of shot.
It's at the 7 up in the corner he's looking at. Is he?
He's got a perfect place to play safety if they lead this on like this. If he shoots the 7 ball and comes 2 cushions with the cue ball and just puts him behind this ball, play a safety and bring this ball down, this ball that's over here, bring this ball down somewhere to use to get the 2 ball out of there.
Jarvis leads 5-4. Took the 7. Brought the cue ball back.
He's going for the clearance, and he doesn't have any ball to get the 2 ball out of there with.
He tried to get it out there, didn't he?
I'm not sure what he tried to do there. But it's not out of there. He's going to play a safety here. There's no question about that.
At dyan nga sa tira na yan ni Jarvis, mukhang alanganin, no, yung tira niya na yan, kaya hindi pumasok at nag-play safe siya muna dyan. Tingnan natin ngayon yung tira ni Reyes, medyo magaan na itong table na ito, no, rack number 10. Open itong table at maganda yung setup ng mga bola. Panoorin natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes itong rack number 10 na ito at tumabla sa score na 5-4.
The other one's almost impossible also, but
Jimmy, if he tries it, where does he hit that cue ball?
As far as what kind of a shot? A mass
That
safe
shot.
A mass
To
safe
bring
shot.
it around that 2 and hit the 15.
You have to elevate the butt of your cue almost straight up and down, and he would probably have to hit it, say if you were looking at it as if it were a clock, he'd have to hit it at about 7 o'clock.
Well, he obviously was not going to do it. But I don't know that he...
well, actually, that turned out very well for him because
Yes.
the 11's in front of the pocket. He left him separated on the table there. See, because Mark's 2 ball is still tied up.
Still is up against the rail down here next to the 8.
Well, it does pass, though. It does
It
go
will
to the left.
pass the 8 ball?
No, not the 8 ball,
I
but the
see.
11 ball.
Yes, all right.
If I was him, I'd go for position on the 2 ball right now, wouldn't you?
He needs to get the cue ball here. I would do it as fast as possible. Always get rid of your treble balls as soon as you can. So he's got to get the cue ball in this area here to pocket the 2 ball in here.
And he's got a perfect shot with it with the 1 ball. If he does it with the yellow ball, the 1 ball, yeah. Spin the cue ball around the table. This is his chance to get position.
Missed the shot.
Oh, he got lucky.
He got kissed.
He didn't get lucky there, though.
No, he didn't. That was a bad roll of the dice there.
You know, that 8 ball could have come off the other way and been where the cue ball is. He could have been wide open with that, too. Huh?
He could have scratched also. That was
Yes, that's
a lot
right.
of things could have happened there.
Yeah.
Well, he's got to come with something now. He's got 1 shot. He's going to have to pocket this ball and just let the cue ball float down and try to come straight down here and just try to come in here, knock the 8, come in between the balls, something like that.
Where's he put it? In the upper left-hand corner.
Yeah,
Reyes
this is an
looking,
extremely tough shot, but that's his only shot. He's got to go for the win here because there's no safe.
At dito nga mukhang long shot itong titirahin ni Jarvis, no? Itong solid ball na yan. Pasok yung bola na yan at medyo maganda yung pinakitang tira dito ni Jarvis. At meron chance ngayon pero humarang, no, itong stripe ball dito sa posisyon nung 2. Kaya tingnan natin kung gumawa ng play safe dito si Jarvis dahil nga nakaharang na itong 15. Sundan natin yan, mga kabilyard.
If he put it right up against the 2, all he could make, he couldn't make that ball.
Well, Efren would have ball in hand.
Yeah, but I mean, where would he go?
He
So
could
could make
pocket the
1.
11
Yeah,
and
but
break
that's it,
them
isn't
out.
it?
But
Oh, he
then
couldn't?
again, who knows where the ball is going to go
Yeah.
when he does break it out. He might not get a shot. So if I was Jarvis right now, I would nudge the stripe right up against the 2 ball
It seems a good strategy.
and put the 2 right close to the 8.
It's a game of percentages, and that's what he's doing. He's giving himself the best percentage. Well, no, he
He
didn't.
could hit it. He could hit it.
Well, that wasn't bad either.
No. No, in fact, he may have... Now he's got... Reyes forced...
Napakahusay nung play safe dyan ni Jarvis. Talagang corner na corner si Reyes. Pero may kaunting silip at mase itong si Reyes sa ball number 15. At dito nga, naipasok niya. Mukhang medyo malakas itong bola, no? Pero tingnan natin kung puposisyon ito dito sa next object ball niya. At dito nga, puposisyon yan. Mukhang may chance si Reyes ngayon na ma-steal niya itong rack number 10 na ito.
And he kind of stuck his tongue out at it.
Shooting opposite-handed now. Shoots very well opposite-handed.
At dyan nga, kinaliwanan ni Reyes pero nakakuha pa rin siya ng magandang ball position, no? At pasok yung 8, na-steal pa ni Reyes. All 5 ang score natin dyan. Tabla tayo, mga kabilyard. May breaking advantage si Reyes dito sa rack number 11. Race to 8 lang ito at all 5 ang score natin.
Here's Reyes with the break. First to 8 wins it, moves into the championship round.
2 balls going to go to. Cue ball's in a bad position. I mean, he's got, what did he make there? He made
2 solids and 1 strike.
He has choice then.
You know, Jimmy Mataya, he really didn't hit that bad a shot. He just got a little bit unlucky. He didn't put the stripe down against the 2 and lock it all up, but he did hit the 2. It kicked off the 8, and the cue ball came back out and gave him a shot.
Another half an inch, and he wouldn't be able to make the 15.
At dito nga sa rack na yan, medyo hindi maganda dahil ang daming cluster ball, no? Dito sa gitna, 4 na bola yung naka-cluster at medyo mahirap yung posisyon ng cue ball, no? Pero tingnan natin kung anong gawin ni Reyes. Mukhang nag-play safe siya muna dito dahil nga maraming naka-cluster at hindi niya kakayanin i-break yan at i-run out. At dito mukhang nagre-reklamo itong si Jarvis dahil nga sa mga cluster balls na yan. So sundan natin kung anong discarded dito ni Jarvis.
Advantage if you don't go all the way.
Does he still have choice? No, he's got
He's
stripes.
got the stripes.
He's got the stripes.
Yeah, there's 2 solids gone. The Reyes.
Well, he can make the 11 ball in here for an opening shot.
Yeah.
Or he can make the 9 ball in here. See, but you leave these 14 and 10 ball tied up and not a ball to get to it later on. You don't want to shoot that shot yet. The 11 ball is a perfect ball to break out this ball here is a perfect ball to break out these 2 balls later on. So that's why he's shooting the 9 ball first.
I'll tell you, a perfect shot from there, Jimmy, would have been just to go right into the 14 ball. Go right into the 14 ball and sandwiched his cue ball up against the 5 and the 8. Now, there's my daughter, Nicole. She's 10 years old. She lives down there in North Carolina with her mother, Ava. I'd like to say hello to her, too.
Can she play pool a little bit, Nicole?
She plays a little bit. Not bad at all.
Was that a good play by Jarvis?
Well, if we could have went back to the first shot, Barry, like I said, Jimmy, if he could have broke the 14 and the 10 and sandwiched the cue ball up against the 5 and the 8. Now, he wasn't going to make a ball there, but he would have broken the balls out. At the same time, he would have left Efren no shot. That's what I would have done there. I would have broke those balls immediately, froze the cue ball against the 5 and the 8.
Well, now all the balls are wide open.
Yes.
But Efren doesn't have a shot, so I mean he's going to have to play safe of some kind here.
Well, that's what Jarvis, of course, is hoping for. That Reyes can't make one, has to play safe, and leaves the table for him. Look at this. Look at this.
So he's left him a shot.
Yeah,
he's left him a couple shots.
Yeah. 10 ball for one. Well, they're tied at 5 games apiece. First man to get to 8 moves into the finals of the World 8-Ball Championship. This is Mark Jarvis.
Okay, here's the pattern that he got to play with right now. Make the 11 ball. Bring the cue ball up this way for the 15 ball. Well, we didn't have to go into them balls, but that's okay too. There's so many different ways to play this. I mean, well, you know he's going to shoot the 9 ball probably right now. Get rid of the 9.
That's what makes the game of 8 ball such an interesting game. Everybody's got their own idea how to run these balls off the table, all the way from the beginners to the amateurs to the top pros.
You had to mention the amateurs in there to include me in the conversation, did you?
Oh, we're not quite sure where you were at on the pool table, Tom.
There's always one thing for sure, though, is to leave a key ball to get back to the 8 ball. Oh, man, that was straight in.
At dyan nga mukhang nagmadali itong si Jarvis, no, kaya hindi pumasok yung bola niya at tokatok doon sa corner pocket. Available ngayon si Reyes dito sa table na ito at mukhang maganda yung layout, kaya may chance na ma-steal ulit ni Reyes itong rack number 11. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
This isn't that easy. He's going 2 cushions with this shot around play position on the 5 ball. He wants to get on the 5 ball. Perfect.
Beautifully done. The man from the Philippines.
At dyan nga, solid na solid yung pagpasok sa corner pocket. Ito, nasa last ball na naman itong si Reyes.
You know he's made a foolish mistake there. Efren is the kind of guy that when he rarely makes a mistake, but when he does, he will chuckle to himself. I mean, he really believes that as good as he plays it, he should never make a mistake. And when he does, he just has to laugh about it.
Can he cut this in? No, he banged
Playing
the
the
shot.
And he made it. Oh, look at that thing hang there.
Look at the position he had. If he did make it.
Boy.
At dyan nga, mukhang nag-clip hanging itong 4 sa corner pocket. No? Open na open ngayon itong table para ka dito kay Jarvis. Makuha bang ma-steal ni Jarvis itong rack number 11 kay Reyes? Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Games each. Beautiful. Oh. Yeah. One in the corner and then the one in the side, or what?
This could be a left-handed shot. No, he's going to stretch.
He's got the cue underneath his body. He drew it really far. Look at what he did here.
Where do you play this?
At dito nga, tulad sa inaasahan natin, no, talagang napakagaling nitong si Jarvis. Mukhang may chance na ma-run out ni Jarvis itong rack number 11. May steal niya ito at mukhang ipapasok niya doon sa kabilang corner pocket itong object ball. At yun nga, naipasok niya at napakaganda ng posisyon ng 8 dito sa opposite corner. No? Mukhang may steal nga ni Jarvis itong rack number 11 at obante na naman ng isang puntos. No? Pasok yan. 6-5 ang score natin, lamang si Jarvis ng isang puntos.
Mark Jarvis leading 6 games to 5. First to 8 wins it.
He's made a couple balls here. Another ball.
It's a choice.
Wow, they're really wide open this time.
Sure are.
I like. Which ones do you like, Jim?
She's
Either one.
I just like to be at the table right now. It doesn't really matter.
Jimmy Mattia, sick and tired of this microphone and idle conversation. Give me that stick. Somebody throw a little money on the end of the table and let's get after it. Boy, this would be a big rack to win, wouldn't it?
They're all in the middle of the table. All you got to do is connect the dots right now.
Now you watch how he doesn't move the cue ball around much here.
At dito nga sa pinapakitang tira na yun ni Jarvis, meron siyang chance na maka break and run siya, no, dito sa rack number 12. At maganda yung layout ng table para sa kanyang advantage. Tingnan natin kung maka break and run siya dito sa rack number 12. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
In the corner, whatever you want.
And, you know, for the novices out there, myself included, I noticed he looked down to check that 8 ball over in that pocket right there to see if that it was clear, didn't he?
Yeah. He wanted to see if it would pass the 9 ball.
You got to be a shot or 2 ahead of yourself, no matter.
Oh, yeah.
Oops.
No, he's
That's
okay.
where he wanted it.
Yeah.
Okay.
At dyan nga mukhang last ball na itong si Jarvis. Corner pocket, pasok yan. Naku, nasa top of the hill na itong si Jarvis, no? Nasa hill na siya. 7-5 ang score natin dyan, lamang ng 2 puntos si Jarvis. Siya pa ang nasa breaking advantage. Kaya tingnan natin kung ma-run out niya na ito at matalo si Efren Reyes. Medyo 2 bola pa ang kailangan, 2 panalo pa, no? Ang kailangan ni Jarvis dito, ni Reyes. At dito nga sa tira na yan, may pumasok. Available ang table para kay Jarvis. Napakaganda nung break niya na yan. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Let me see if I do. I can't see him.
Well,
does Mark know the right one to shoot?
Well, I don't know. I guess he does. He's still on the winner's side. I mean, you can go any which way, I guess. He played for the 13 ball next.
8 ball right in the middle of the table. He runs this table why he will have won the 8th game and defeated Efren Reyes, considered among the best in the world. What a win this would be for Jarvis.
Problem. He's a problem now. He's got the.
Yeah, he's got to shoot
shot.
the 14 ball with right hand spin on the cue ball to come straight back this way for the 15.
Yeah, but can he reach it, Jimmy?
Yeah, he can get there. He's okay. Well,
ooh, now he isn't.
But now, can he get between the 8 and the 6?
Looks like he's got an opening.
He's got to go down here for this ball here. It looks like it passes from this angle.
Yeah.
And if he can either bounce the cue ball back out for the side pocket, or the corner pocket, or the other side pocket.
The biggest shot of the...
At dito nga mukhang manipis yung tira na yan ni Jarvis, no? Nagkaroon siya ng alanganin doon dahil nga may nakaharang na isang bola. Pero open table ngayon kay Reyes. Panoorin natin kung makuha ni Reyes na ma-run out niya ito at makahabol pa sa score na 7-5. Nasa top of the hill na itong si Jarvis, no? Tingnan natin kung mahabol pa yan ni Reyes. Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Remember, he led 7 games to 5. This will make it 7-6 unless Reyes comes up with a classic boner.
No, I don't think so.
I don't either.
It's tough enough to beat a guy like Reyes, and when you do get him on the ropes, to let him go like this, now it's going to be even more difficult. He might never even come back to the table.
Well, you know, you're right. I just noticed that. That cue of his looks like it's crooked. We got waves in it the way it, huh?
Yeah, it's very, very wavy stroke. Very wavy stroke.
Unbelievable.
Long bridge.
If you were a golfer, you'd think he was catching it between his lunge and his sway, huh?
At dito nga mukhang hindi na nagpabaya itong si Reyes. Mukhang maganda na yung posisyon nitong dalawang bola, no? Last 2 ball dito si Reyes. At big mistake doon kay Jarvis ang ginawa niya na yan. At dito mukhang nakahabol pa ng isang punto si Reyes. Aiming siya ngayon dito sa side pocket para sa 8, no? Another point ni Reyes yan. Pasok yung 8, 7-6, no? Nasa last rack pa rin itong si Jarvis. Pero nasa breaking advantage naman itong si Reyes dito sa rack number 14. Malakas ang break na yan ni Reyes. Tingnan natin kung may pumasok. Mukhang walang pumasok sa break na yan, no? Very dry break. At back to table itong si Jarvis. So bigyan pa kaya ng pagkakataon ni Jarvis itong si Reyes? Sundan natin mga kabilyard.
Shoot in this spot. If I were Mark Jarvis, I wouldn't start to run balls off here. Very dangerous.
Well, Jarvis leads 7 games to 6. Running this rack would give him an advancement into the championship of the World 8 Ball. But a mistake would quite easily even it up at 7-7.
I'd also like to mention here what before you get started here with this game, Jimmy, that we're playing on an AMF table. How much did you say this table cost, Tom?
$56,000. 3 of them in existence. One is over at the Lions Den here in Las Vegas, and they'll be happy to make one for you, but it takes about 6 months. It's mahogany, and it is from Honduras and hand carved.
I like to thank another sponsor of the tour, I mean, who really promotes the Pro Tour, is Mucci Originals, who makes one of the finest cues in the world. You can see his banners up around the arena here. All right.
A cue that even I could use?
It's
Rumpy?
make anybody play good.
Oh, boy.
Guaranteed.
Get me a couple of them, one for the trunk and...
What is he on here? He's on the stripe balls?
I'm not sure.
Yeah.
Stripes is correct.
Well, there's going to be some defensive moves put in here because right now there's no shot. So, you know, he's playing a safety here.
But, you know, every time he's done that, it's come up wrong for him.
Well, he tried to make that ball.
At dyan nga, medyo makapal yung bank shot na yan ni Jarvis, pero naikobli pa rin ni Jarvis sa corner pocket itong cue ball, no? Medyo mahirap ang posisyon na yan. Tingnan natin kung makagawa ng paraan dyan si Reyes at maka-steal niya, no? Para tumabla dito sa score na 7-6. Very crucial itong tira na yun ni Reyes. Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Ball. Then the game becomes a very confusing situation.
He's playing a safe off the 6 ball.
Whether you have stripes or solids, this is where we go into safety play. You're not worried right now to let your opponent back to the table because everything is so clustered up.
For the people that aren't aware of what a legitimate safety is, that when the person hits the cue ball, he has to strike a ball and drive that ball to a cushion, or the cue ball has to hit a cushion after contact with an object ball. That's a legitimate safety or shot.
And if he doesn't, why then it's cue ball in hand, and
Anywhere
the
on the
opponent can put it anywhere in the table he wants. Huh?
Exactly.
He's going for a tough one here. Good
Oh,
shot.
Amen. Did he open him up enough?
Well, he's got a shot in the corner pocket here with the 14 ball. Okay, let's see what he's got here. Looks to me like he's going to shoot the 14 ball and play position on the 15 ball for his next shot. Yeah, so he's going to shoot this ball down here. He played long position on this 15 ball, and he's going to have to. I don't know if this ball passes or not. If it doesn't pass, then he's going to have to roll the cue ball down in here after making the 15 ball for this ball in the corner pocket.
Jimmy, you know as well as I do, the pool gods are watching right now. They're going to send this game into sudden death, one game, you know it, and so do I. The pool gods are always up there watching, Tom. They want to torture you as much as they can.
Well, here's a shot. Now, this is a good shot here.
At dyan nga, mukhang maganda pa rin yung pinapakitang tira nitong si Jarvis, no? Maganda yung posisyon ng mga bola para sa kanya. Napakaganda nung pina na yun ni Jarvis at meron chance na ma-run out niya ngayon. Pero tingnan natin, medyo alanganin, no, yung posisyon nitong cue ball at meron ba siyang chance na ma-run out itong rack number 14. Last rack na si Jarvis, no? Panoorin natin mga kabilyard.
Below the 7. If he does that, he's coming back over here because he can't hit it soft enough, and then he's coming down in here.
Well, how good do you have to be just to catch ball and at the
You see the angle? See where it's coming now?
At dyan nga sa tira na yun, medyo manipis, no? Nauna banda yata yung tira ni Jarvis na yan. Kaya hindi pumasok, medyo manipis talaga. Kaya tingnan natin ngayon si Reyes, makabalik siya at may chance siya na maka-run out. Panoorin natin at mukhang magkakaroon tayo ng magandang hill-to-hill match dito mga kabilyard. Ano sa palagay ninyo, panoorin ninyo ng mabuti.
Efren runs this rack now. He'll be tied at 7 games apiece as you look at young Mr. Mark Jarvis.
Looks like Efren's just waiting for Mark to make a mistake, and then he just takes over. He's giving Mark plenty of opportunities, I know that. See, he's going to leave the 4 ball for his key ball. He's going to play the 1 ball, the 6 ball, then the 7, then the 4. A lot of times you have to think backwards in playing 8 ball. You think where the 8 is, what ball you need to get to the 8 ball, what ball you need to get to that ball to get to the 8 ball, and so on down the line. So here he's going to use the 4 for the last shot, and it's a natural position for the 8. And we're going to a hill game.
Boy, make a mistake.
At dyan nga, nasa last 2 ball si Reyes. Mukhang maganda yung magiging laban natin dito dahil sa isang malupit na hill-to-hill match, no? At ito, last ball si Reyes para dito sa rack number 14. At mukhang nakahabol si Reyes. All 7 tayo mga kabilyard. At hill-to-hill match ang mangyayari dito, pero nasa breaking advantage nga itong si Reyes.
Well, it's been a great match so far, and the crowd cheering both of these competitors on. How do the golf gods like it?
The pool gods?
Oh, excuse me, the pool gods.
I don't know too much about the golf gods. I don't have problems with them.
Medyo masaklap na naman ang break dito ni Reyes, no? At ito, walang pumasok, dry break. Mukhang nagkaroon ulit ng chance itong si Jarvis makabalik sa table. Parehong score nila dito mga kabilyard, no? Parehong last rack yan. All 7 hill-to-hill match. Medyo hindi pinalad si Reyes sa break na yan. Pero tingnan natin kung ma-run out ni Jarvis itong rack na or itong final rack.
Pressure is really mounting on him right now. He's never been in this situation, and this is an extreme situation, being tied 7-7. He's got a tough shot already. He's got to cut the 4 down the corner. It's not a tough shot, but he's a little bit out of line.
He's perfect there, Jimmy.
He can come right across the table for the 5 if he wanted to.
And
He's got the 6, anyway.
He's got the 5. now he's gone.
He has destroyed himself this match, Jimmy.
Yeah. He's just not thinking all the way through the rack. I mean, he's just shooting shots, it looks like to me.
Why didn't he take the 6 ball instead of the 5? Wouldn't that have been a little better thing to play position with?
Well, he should have shot the 4 ball and came on the other side of the 10 ball. Do you remember when the 4 was over here? Well, if he shot the 4 and let the cue ball come on this side for the 5 ball, then he's straight in on the 6 ball. Then he can do whatever he wants with these 2 balls. But what happened, he wound up with an angle, and he came over where the cue ball is right now. And now there's no shot.
No.
I mean, unless he could bank the 3 ball.
Can he cut it back across?
I don't think he can cut this ball.
Gonna try.
Look at this shot.
Napakahusay nung pagkakapina na yun ni Jarvis, no? Talagang very satisfied siya doon, pero unfortunately nga dumikit itong cue ball dito sa object ball niya. Pero tingnan natin, sinisipat niya yung isang malupitang bank shot doon sa side pocket, at tingnan natin kung magawa niya ng paraan yan. Sundan natin, mga kabilyard.
I think he can cut this ball in the corner pocket.
Well, after making that last shot, I think he could probably make this ball anywhere. I mean, that was a tremendous shot.
It was a good shot.
It's too bad that he didn't get any kind of a reward for it because he's faced again.
Well, he's still playing.
I think he's going for a bank shot.
Bank shot.
Napakahusay nung tira na yun ni Jarvis, no? Talagang nakuha niya pang ipasok yung very crucial shot na ito, at na-bank shot niya yan, at nagkaroon siya ng matinding concentration doon. Pero dito tingnan natin, last two ball na lang itong si Jarvis, no? Medyo tumatawa si Reyes at hindi siya mapakali, mukhang matatalo dito si Reyes. Kaya tingnan natin kung magawa ng paraan ito ni Jarvis, mapina niya doon sa corner pocket, at makakuha ng magandang ball position para dito sa next object ball. Sundan natin, mga kabilyard.
Pressure shots in the last minute and a half than he's made in his entire pro
Well,
career.
this is the one with all the pressure. This is the winning shot. He didn't make this one.
See the good position he had on the 8 there?
At dyan nga, sa tira na yun ni Jarvis, nagmintes, at ito, balik sa table ngayon si Reyes. Meron ng chance ngayon si Reyes na makabawi, no? Very disappointed si Jarvis doon, hindi niya napina, at nagkaroon tuloy ng available shot itong si Reyes. At dito nga, medyo maganda ng layout ng table. Panoorin natin kung ma-run out ni Reyes ito, at may diin niya yung kalaban niyang si Jarvis sa 8-7. Panoorin natin, mga kabilyard.
Anything could happen.
Oh, I'm sure the pool gods know that Efren is looking at an easy rack right now. I'm sure they'll do whatever they can to make things difficult for him.
Oh, they went out to have dinner.
They never sleep.
The pool guys went out to have an early supper. Come on, Jimmy Machado.
I don't know. No. It ain't over till the fat mama sings.
Golf gods are the ones that never sleep. Pool gods walk away. They've had enough.
Oh boy.
What a great run Jarvis made. And he just...
And to not get any kind of a shot to where he could do something with that 6 ball, that's just a shame.
Yeah.
But that's the game of pool.
And when you think of the great, almost unbelievable, impossible shots he made to get to that one spot and then come up dead empty.
He's going to play position for the 14 ball and use the 12 to get to the 8.
Reyes just down 7 games to 5.
At eto na nga yung sinasabi natin dito, talagang hindi pwedeng pagbigyan itong si Reyes, no, dahil kaya niyang i-run out yung table. Last ball na lang si Reyes, ito tinuro niya dito sa side pocket. Mukhang tututuhanin na at tatalunin si Jarvis dito, no. Last ball dito, pasok yung 8, panalo si Reyes. Salamat sa mga nanood, guys. Thank you for watching. See you on my next video. Don't forget to subscribe.
The world, of course. How did you feel about the match?
Well, I feel I lost already because when he had me 8-5, 7-5, right?
He had you 7-5, yeah.
7-5, and I thought I'm not gonna shoot no more. And well, I get lucky, and then you miss.
You can't give this guy a chance, though, can you?
No, absolutely not. It cost me. But